Good day. This video you're seeing is Agritourism Sara, located in a village near Vittorio Veneto. And in this place where we went for our Easter day for lunch. In this place, one can spend night, 2 nights, wedding, anything you want. They cultivate wine and olive trees and other fruits. They make juice by themselves. What they are showing now is they cultivate bees for honey. And what they are showing is what the bees use to put flower inside for impollination. All these flowers that you are seeing, the bees will get them. The bees make honey from these flowers. And as you can see, there are many olive trees around. There are many other trees around. They do wine, and the house behind, they call it bote in Italian language, where it's made from wood purposely to make the wine good, where they store wine storage. But now they have turned it to be a lodging site. One can lodge there for holidays, for honeymoon, for many other ceremonies. It's a very beautiful place. Buongiorno, questo è Agriturismo Sara. Siamo stati nel giorno di Pasqua. È un posto bellissimo dove fanno vino, fanno tante frutta, fanno succo di frutta, fanno anche vino, fanno l'erba aromatico e sono bravissime. Queste coppie di Sardegna, loro conoscono tutto di questo agriturismo. Agriturismo Sara è vicino Vittorio Veneto, è un paesino vicino Vittorio Veneto. È un posto bellissimo. Io sono amante della natura. Ho deciso di fare questo video e farvi vedere le botte dove coltivano, dove mettono il vino, le botte dove conservano vino, erba romantica, fanno un sacco di cose belle. E avevo prima parlato in inglese.
It's where they store wine.